Okay, so we are here in the Nandi Hills, and we're at the farm of Lucy, and we're surrounded by beautiful bees and all kinds of different crops. So Lucy, tell me, how long have you been farming here?
Actually, basically here I came in June, but I've been in Nandi for the last 17 years. So this is a place that I've been for the last 1 and 3 months old.
Yeah.
1 year, 3 months old in this compound. Basically, I love farming, and particularly the traditional foods. Beans. Black beans are called jae in Kikuyu or nsabe in Kikamba and Kimeru. Nsabe, particularly in Kimeru, where I come from, it's a very special plant, and the food that is made there, it's really nice, and it has got a very nice aroma. And it is so special in our tradition that if maybe you're going for an engagement or a wedding, and you meet, maybe you have not been cooked the jahe, something we call mukimo of jahes, then it means you are not really appreciated in that home. So it's such a beautiful, beautiful cultural plant. This one is also coupled with a pigeon pea, which I'll be able to show you on the other side. And also it has got, when a lady has given birth, and at that period when she's still breastfeeding, and just when she has just delivered, she's also made food from this, because it has also got a lot of phosphorus, and it's believed that it is so strong, and she really requires something that gives her strength.
Yeah, so this is a crop that very much depends on pollinators, and up here you can see one of the bees that's resting, but it has been pollinating the flowers. So without this pollinator there would be no njahe. So which crop do we have here?
This is called the butter bean. The butter bean actually is a very sweet bean. It's a yum yum. It's beautiful when you cook.
The pollinators of most African crops include a wide range of wild insects ranging from butterflies and moths to bees, ants, beetles, wasps, midges, thrips, as well as sunbirds and bats.
Pollinators are very, very important because, yes, some of the plants cannot be pollinated by weed. At least we have to get some pollinators to come in and do the pollination.
One of the most important requirements for wild insect pollinators is natural habitat. These could be forest patches, areas of bush, or even just a hedgerow or fallow ground near the farm. Without these areas, pollinators would find it very hard to breed and survive. Like this lovely male carpenter bee who's setting up his tiny territory in a patch of bush near the edge of the farm. Access to wildflowers is essential for pollinator survival. Just like you and I, they need to feed from a wide range of different food sources throughout the year and across different seasons. Without this, they cannot survive.
I've seen the other bit of my life, of the life of my garden, which I've never seen and never really got so much interest on it. Pollination. I never knew that pollinators are very important, and there are so many of them, so different. Today I've learned that there are so many types of bees. I only thought there is only one kind of bee. Today I've found out that there are several kinds of bees, and it's so amazing. It's amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And we found at least 10 different types of bees just here in your shop.